question now about 11.1, number 8. You're asking about how to find the mean and the standard deviation. Well, for the mean, that's the mean difference in the proportions. We're assuming P1 equals P2. That's our null hypothesis. And since we're assuming they're equal, their difference would be 0. And so, so we're assuming that. Then the standard deviation, you can use StatCrunch. You go into StatCrunch, and this standard error here, 0.0284. That's the standard deviation they're asking for. When you go in here, you just need to enter the data. It does tell you if you read through here, it tells you to do the females first. And so, you got 205 out of 590 females, 165 out of 517 males. So when you go into StatCrunch, the 2 sample proportion summary, you need to enter it that way. And when you enter it that way, it gives you the standard deviation right here. I hope that helps.